also have with us Mr. Amit Kumar Pandey, AGM Sales Industry. Okay, so let's hear from him. So, sir, what's your belief about the IMTEX? It will impact your business?
Yes, IMTEX is one of the, I can say, biggest exhibition in India, and I believe the quality of people, the quality of customer who visiting to us, our stall, is always giving us a energy that okay, the market is full of requirements, and we are happy to that we are having a booth over here, and I will also from your channel partner, I can say to people that they can come to IMTEX and they can visit to all the stalls and even our and view our requirements.
Can you share some lights on DF machines?
Yeah, OTEC is one of the known company in worldwide from Germany, and they are manufacturing of a DF machine. This is a very important machine for cutting tool manufacturers, as well as also the manufacturing of different parts like from aerospace or from medical implants. Why we are here to be in tool tech? Because the reason is that when you produce your tools, you need good life of tools, and with DF machines we can do a very good edge rounding, polishing, and we increase the life of tool almost 300%. So that is the reason DF is one of the best selling machine in IMTEX and tool tech.
What are the main difference between DF machine and CF machines?
CF is more about to have a finishing process for a smaller parts, and DF is towards when we have a heavier and a longer parts, means a bigger parts. The size has to be a more than 150 mm. Then we cannot do in a CF machine, because CF is limited to parts which are smaller, precise, where we can do deburring, smoothing, or polishing of that parts. But when we go track finishing machine, it is more about the heavier parts, parts which are longer, like more than a 150 mm. And of course, it is also do the same job, but of course, the part size is different.
Like, which of the machines is more beneficial for the manufacturers?
It very critical to say which are the most beneficial machine. It's all depend upon the component. The people, those who are producing a small component, they can go for the CF machine. The people, those who have for a bigger parts, they can go for the bigger machines like DF and SF from Motex. And of course, this is very hard to say that which is beneficial.
And do you also manufacture this equipment in India?
We are not manufacturing anything in India at this moment, but of course we have a sales and service over here of this machine from last 15 years. So if you buying a machine, there will be no problem for getting any issues if you getting from the machines, so we can resolve within 24 hours, as well as also if there will be a spare parts requirement, we keep in a stock so that you get your machine ready within few days, so that will be not a problem from our company.
Do you do you want to start a manufacturing in India, and when do you see will start their manufacturers in India?
See, India is a very growing market, and if you see last 3-4 years, we are constantly increasing around more than 6% of our GDP, and I believe, of course, the day will come when we require to have a manufacturing in India these machines. But I foresee that about 5 years a timeline when we will definitely have certainly with some machines we can manufacturing in India.
Thank you so much for being with us. It's great with you. Thank you. Thank you. So, can you elaborate about something mass finishing?
Yeah, mass finishing more or less is relatively energy inside of a vibration technology for getting very good surfaces or also the burring jobs done inside of a vibration machine.
Do you also manufacture these machines in India?
We had in former days a facility in India, but due to several reasons we moved out. But we have a very strong partner here with Millenia, which are also capable for doing such things here in India together with us in Germany.
And do you have any plans to start this facility again in India?
At the moment, I have no information about that, but we are also getting more and more into the Indian market, so we will have maybe some future plans which we are not able to estimate at the moment.
And do you believe in India is on the right direction to become a hub?
Yeah, I have seen due to some good discussions at the moment with customers here at the IMTEX that we have very high possibilities and also high opportunities here in India. So I think we can go further here.
And do you believe IMTEX will impact your business overall India, all over outside India?
According to the actual discussions, I would say yes. We have very good discussions also in different economics at the moment. So I think also for this we will have such a great impact there.
Can you share some machines name about mass finishing?
According now, we are displaying a little bit about the vibration machines. Vibration machines is more or less going into the several economics like aerospace, medical, everything else. And also due to our wide range of media, we are also capable for doing such different things as well.
What's your relation with India?
We are friendly people for all, and we are getting very friendly here everywhere, also in the hotels and everywhere. This is quite fun to go to India and having such as spots like IMTEX and everything else.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We also have with us Mr. Tobis. So let's hear from him. So, sir, what's your view about IMTEX?
So IMTEX, I would say it's the biggest Indian trade fair for machinery, and as we are a worldwide supplier of high quality machines, I would say we decided to participate to, I would say, get a step into the Indian market.
Do you believe India is on right direction to become a manufacturing hub?
Yes, for sure. So India is growing, and we have a lot of requests from India too. And so we see that after China is now slowing down, India is growing up.
What other new technologies are you displaying over here and with new innovations?
So we are supplying fully automatic machines, including robotic loading, unloading, sometimes measuring devices, all integrated in one step. So that means I would say, newest innovation, I would say, is that you can have really manless operation of machinery if necessary.
Can you share something about shot blasting?
Yeah, shot blasting is a very common technology used for a wide range of different companies, from shipbuilding, so shipyards, or up to medical industry, dental industry. All is used shot blasting for cleaning applications, for deburring applications, or also optical finishings. And we are one of the world leaders of this kind of technology.
And what about shot pinning?
Shot peening is also very important, especially in the aerospace as well as automotive industry. So that means all kind of gears, as well as in terms of airplanes, landing gears or fan blades in turbines are all shot peened to allow a big, I would say, a certain security, and also to allow the high forces not to destroy the material.
What's your views about the Indian manufacturing sector?
So I would say, as I said, India is growing, and I would say we are getting more and more requests for high valuable parts and high valuable processes, and therefore I think India will keep up to the other countries quite quickly.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello everyone, welcome to IMTEX 2025. We are here at Millenia Technologies. We have with us Mr. Dominic from Bruker Alicona. He is the sales manager of Asia Pacific region. So, sir, can you please tell us about the Bruker Alicona and its offerings for the Indian market?
Yeah, of course. I'm happy to share with you what Bruker Alicona is doing. We are doing optical metrology based on focus variation. For the industry in the production, we have a wide portfolio. We are measuring from geometry to roughness very automatically with our MatMax solution.
Okay, and sir, can you brief us about the portfolio and its your association with Millenia?
So, Bruker Alicona is since a long time a partner with Millenia in India. They have all the capabilities and are certified partners in the region. Our product portfolio is a wide range. So we have from a micro CMM, which is a optical CMM, to a tabletop system, and specific for the Indian market, also an edge master system, which can automatically measure cutting edges of tools.
Hello everyone, we have with us Mr. Daniel. So let's hear from you. So sir, what's your view about the IMTEX?
Well, IMTEX is the major show here in India, and we have been participating now for many years already. Over the last 6 years, together with our partner here, Millenia Technologies, with which we have been growing in the market, and it's been a very fruitful and positive collaboration with this team.
How do you believe IMTEX will impact your business in India?
Well, IMTEX is of course for us a way to present our machines, because we are in a niche market, a very strong niche market that has very limited application field. So we have quite a big existing machine parks here in India. So several customers already that are using our machines have been using them for over 30 years. And with Millenia, we have the opportunity to serve them better in the local market, because sending over service technicians, for example, out of Europe is timely, and of course it is also quite costly to do that. So IMTEX in that respect, and the collaboration with Millenia, is very positive.
And what new technologies are you displaying over here?
Well, what we are displaying is the wide field of application possibilities. Bernex not only has in the classical chemical vapor deposition field, but we also offer machines for aluminizing, which is particularly used in turbine blades, or also chemical vapor infiltration. That would be for composite materials that need to be reinforced with a chemical solution, so that they can be stronger, the materials, be it either against wear or against oxidation resistance.
And what's your relation with India?
My relation with India is basically comes down to the relation I have with Millenia Technologies. And I think Indian people are fantastic people, because they are very positive. They see the bright light of the life, so they really have a very good attitude to work as well. And it's incredible to be here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are here at IHI Hauzer Techno Coaching, and we have with us Louis, who's the product manager. So sir, can you please tell us about the products that you offer?
So we are supplying PVD, which is physical vapor deposition machines for the market in India. Millenia is our partner for several years, so they represent us on the market, do the first discussions with customer, and when it's really deep detail, then we will come in. The machines are basically used for tool coatings, so to improve the lifetime of the tools, to increase the cutting speeds and this kind of things. Besides tools, we do also some machines for the automotive market, fuel cell market, and the decorative market.
And what are the products that you have kept on display here? What are the products that you have brought here for IMTEX presentation?
At the presentation we had tools, because the machines are too big and too expensive to put on a show. So we brought some tools where the coatings we are applying with the machines are shown, and people can discuss about it, see them, touch them, and see what we can do. Besides that, we have a virtual reality where we can show the machine in virtual reality. People can hold our iPad and walk into the machine, which is normally impossible, of course.
And so how is the response here at IMTEX?
The response is very good. Very busy days today. What we see in the whole world, India at this moment is booming and buzzing, in contrary to the rest like China and Europe.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
And now finally we have this Mr. Gautam Tiwari, the director of Millenia. So let's hear from him. Sir, what's your views about the IMTEX?
Well, it's the biggest industrial exhibition. We are participating from last 15 odd years. And this is the best place to be, to get all the context. We are here exhibiting with all our European principals, and it's going fantastic.
And how do you believe IMTEX will impact your business?
Oh, it's not believe. It impacts it gives our business a boost always. And because we are in need of a lot of leads, and this is the place where all our customers are visiting us, they are finding us, we are meeting them, and it is going to, it's always help us to for our business.
Okay. As you are bringing European technologies to India, and what difficulty and what challenges do you face?
Well, at present, to bring the technology, there is no basic challenges. Yes, there are some challenges from the cost point of view, which is there, but slowly that is also now our technologies are getting accepted by our dear customers. So, not much as big challenges we are facing. Everything is very smooth.
And what make you apart from other distributors?
What make us?
You different from you others.
Well, the professional approach, the mindset, the way you want to conduct and take care of your work, your customer, your principals, this is something different what we are doing from others. You can see our stall, you can have a look on it, and you will understand that.
And as India is moving towards like manufacturing hub, and do you believe India is in right direction?
Totally. India is in right direction, and this is the start. And the next couple of decades are going to be the biggest for India in manufacturing, and all the companies around the world wants to come to India, wants to manufacture in India, wants to sell in India. So it's very, very good for us.
In future, do you want to add more other companies with Millenia to distribute their equipment in India?
Basically, not much, but if we have some exclusive products, why not? We can look into it, as we are always working with the best technologies and exclusive products. So we are into finishing, we are into cleaning, we are into measuring, we are into coating. And among this, if there is something exclusive coming up, we can look into it.
As you are in right now partnership with the European companies, like do you have a plans to partner with the US companies, other Russian companies, other companies?
Look, last 25 years, my journey is with Europe, with Germany, with Switzerland, with all the European manufacturers. So I don't know, means we have to see how it is going ahead. Mostly we are already full. We need to stabilize our business with these partners, and we'll look ahead. If something good is coming, we can look into it.
Thank you so much for talking to us. It's a great video. Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you.